Hello, internal controls, SOX, CSOX managers, controllers, or anyone who runs internal controls in your organization. A fish can't survive if the water it's living in is dirty. The same goes for your control environment. Your controls can only thrive in the right environment. A decade ago, the approach to achieving that right environment changed with COSO 2013. This led to the profession to adopt a uniform framework for governance practices or entity-level controls, or ELCs. What changed with COSO 2013 wasn't that these concepts were new, but now we had a comprehensive set of principles to assess our organizations against. Hi, my name is Adrienne Belhumer. I am the owner of Risk Oversight, a firm that specializes in internal audit and internal control programs that are lean, common sense, and fit for purpose. From my extensive practice and trial and error with entity-level controls, let me share 3 priorities for you to review the health of your ELCs to. Number 1, match and continually adapt your ELCs to your organization's maturity. Your ELCs should match the stage and complexity of your organization. When your controls are out of sync with your needs, you'll end up doing too much of the wrong thing and too little of the things you should be. A small organization doesn't need as sophisticated of governance practices as Imperial Oil or Amazon or the Department of Defense. For example, ask yourself, for the size of our organization now, is our budget and forecasting serving our needs? Or for our current risk level, are our internal controls, risk management, and fraud management practices appropriate? Or with the current maturity of our company and the nature of our workforce, are our HR practices reasonable? It is normal and expected that you need to raise the ELC bar as you grow and mature. So number 2, group your questions into logical buckets and use a great template. A common pitfall of adapting COSO 2013 is that tendency to take a check-the-box or laundry list approach. In the early days, unwieldy COSO 2013 templates spread like weeds across organizations, with these assessments becoming more like games of whack-a-mole. The model was never designed to be prescriptive. You're supposed to use professional judgment when applying it. Rather than attempting to attack all concepts in the model, try to attack the bigger questions like, is our management reporting serving our needs? At Risk Oversight, we use a 13-point approach model as a starting point and then customize it to our client's specific needs. If you need a good template or example, see the link below in the description. Number 3, focus on continuous improvement, not pass-fail. Unlike transactional testing, ELCs are more about continuous improvement than pass-fail. Use your ELC assessment as an opportunity to make your organization a bit better every year. In our experience, when clients take time to reflect on where they're at and where they're going, they reap way more benefit from the exercise. For example, how can we strengthen our policy program over the next year? Or how can we mature our risk program given the shifting nature of our industry? Let me be honest, a lot has changed in our business landscape since COSO 2013 was released. Transformation, AI, increased outsourcing, the gig economy are some of the biggest trends I'm seeing in industries and at my clients. These changes will challenge and shift our governance models and practices, and I expect changes to COSO 2013 in the not-so-distant future. But whether we have a complete overhaul or not, many of the fundamentals of COSO 2015 are sound. If you apply these 3 priorities for your ELC work, you will be well on your way. So let me recap them again for you. Number 1, use ELCs as the gauge in your organization's maturity. Number 2, group your questions into logical buckets and use a great template. And number 3, focus on continuous improvement, not pass-fail. I hope you enjoy this video. If there's any help we can give you with your internal control program or your ELCs, please visit us at riskoversight.ca or reach out to me for help. I'm Adrienne Belhumer, and thank you for listening.